Even though we sell all over the world, DVACI is a company based in Mexico. Hello, and welcome to our new video. Today we're going to talk about a very traditional product from Mexico and a great part of the culture, tequila. One of the companies that we have a great honor of working with, Amphora, creates these beautiful handcrafted ceramic bottles. These are truly a work of art. They are hand-painted and made of ceramic. To be able to test each and every one of these bottles, DVACI has designed and created our largest vacuum chamber yet, the CDV6, where almost 20 of these units can fit inside. This type of test must be done by submersion of the bottles, and they must be positioned upside down in a special support that has been custom made for the measurements of this bottle. As you can see in this video, our clients have placed 18 tequila bottles inside the vacuum chamber and applied a vacuum level of -500 millibar. During this test, a visual inspection is made in order to see if bubbles flow out from the bottles. In such case, there is a leak. According to our client's testimony, complaints have been reduced almost to zero thanks to our CDV vacuum chamber. This type of testing is only one of many applications that can be done with our CDV vacuum chambers. We are manufacturers and we can design and customize vacuum chambers in order to fit different products, different tests, different companies, and different needs. Visit our website now, DVACI.com. You can find the link in the description below and learn more about vacuum chambers, testing, and all types of solutions we have for you. Thanks for watching. For more of our videos, hit the subscribe button and see you next time.